Life sweet, oh. At the time people say this life sweet. Somebody they ask me, say, as Adam and Eve chop apple, what if they chop bitter leaf or bitter cola? How this word for day? Ladies and gentlemen, are they worried the other day? Now pastor say, touch your neighbor, tell your neighbor, something will happen here today. People they touch your neighbor, something will happen here today. He said, talk to another neighbor, say, neighbor, something will happen here today. Put your touch neighbor, say, neighbor, something will happen here today. Now one Oduma from back shout, Pastor, it happened. Now pastor say, woman of God, testify from the back. Now the woman say, Pastor, my phone, they don't thief him. I say, something will happen here. Something will happen here. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a proud your boy anytime, any day. But I was born in GRO. I was born in where? GRO. It's not pronounced GRO. It's GRO. When they born me, I think say, after 2 days, I don't know what they worry my parents, so they carry me, come back, they come the reporter for Diop. Say, they don't born Peking, no. They say this Peking go prosper, not lie. The Peking will be prosperous. As I come, now they come look me, they come put me for school. The first school where I go. Chapel Nursery and Primary School for Diop. Second school, the headquarters for Diop. Torime kill you there. The problem why I did now, Torime puts me. If I talk my end it with Diop, I finished from there. I went to St. Andrews State School for my 1. I moved from there to Timber Street in my 2. I then moved to my 1, education, protocol science college in my 1. I moved there to Global Link in my 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I wrote SSC, I passed. I've been seeking admission in Unilag, Unizik, Futo. None of these schools give me admission. I put Uniport no give me. Now I put UST, just one sitting. UST give me admission. I can't go check where UST for Port Harcourt map. I can't discover say the front gate. Now my 3 Diop. The back gate. Now my 2 Diop. The one waiting for Ego Island, where I go try come out from Ego Island, make people say I come out from Diop. They don't block them. I beg, at the control who they control Diop. I know I say this school where they go for UST now. I finish. You know, say if you school for here, normally they will post you outside state. They can look me and say, son of man, we are giving you immediate, we are sending you to go and serve. I say, where? They say my 1 police station. Just don't say I go nowhere. If mistakenly I go, I can't serve you. Say, son of man, you did well. We are offering you immediate employment. I say, where? They say, in Polo Secondary School, my 3 Diop. And the funny thing is, even the course where they study business education, it is for Diop. For education. Where education day? My 1. Then I can't do finish now. I can't school finish now. I can't serve now. I can't do everything. Can't go fall in love with one Ikwerege. No be more how Ikwerege for Rumuwoji, my 1 Diop.
Are you serious?
I'm over serious, my brother. You can't be say just not say white wedding, intentional marriage, everything. No joke of it. Maybe governor won't give me an appointment. He will give me commissioner of Diop Affairs. Don't know my portion in Jesus' name. And I love big men. If you see the way big men they do. If you are feeling cold, yeah, you are pretending you're a poor man. My brother, if you feel cold, so are you feeling cold? Tell them to off the AC. I don't die here. I don't want to no. I don't die here. Brother, I cannot endure this thing. I beg man, help me. I know where. If you see big man, hey, if big man greets you, to greet person, you go like him. You go, yeah, good morning. You need to hear the thing well, good morning. But the same greet, make poor man greet you. about good morning, no? How are they? On a wake up, poor men they get bus. That's what poor men they do. If poor man won't make order for buffet stand, and when big man they make button a different thing. Big man won't make order for buffet stand. He go stand for line. Put one hand for back. This is big man. As he reach it on, he go say, please pick up the plate. They go pick plate. Say, what do you have here? Since I will have white rice, we have jollof rice, we have coconut rice, we have this rice, we have that rice. Okay, give me a white rice. Go to the next place. Say, what do you have here? I say, beans. No, don't bother. Say, what do you have here? Plantain, white rice. Okay, give me 3 slices. Say, what do you have here? Moi. No, don't like moi. Say, what do you have here? So this is salad, just 1 spoon. Just 1 spoon. They don't put up. So what do you have? I said, that is goat meat, this is shake, this is cow tail, this is cow head. Okay, give me 1 cow head and 1 cow tail. Big man don't make order, be? He don't go. Poor man won't make the same order. He never reach it, he don't already go collect place, start for line. Where the big man you do, now the poor man and they holler for the big man. My friend, make order, come out there. I want pass food for the food. Come out there now. Which kind of thing be this? As they reach it down, they say, what do I get? Say, sir, we have white rice, we have jollof rice, we have salad rice. He say, put all the rice, one spoon, one spoon. Say, what do I get here? Say, sir, this is beans. Beans. Now no talk, and the rice don't plenty. Oh, what I want to do now? I'm going to shift the rice, add beans. Say, what do you have here? Plantain. Oh boy, I'm not prepared for this marriage. I'm going to use the plantain, decorate the up of the rice and beans. Say, what do you have here? He say, moi. They tell him, moi. The real poor man will come out. Now get my. Nah. But my business is the same thing now. Oh, what I can't do now? But now don't cook up. Now go eat up. I know eat them. Add more, add the tea wraps. Say, what do you have here? I say, salad. He say, put them. Say, what do you have here? I say, so we have shaki. We have this. He say, put shaki 4. Put car head 11. Put this thing. I think the other like this. I see other finish. He can go back. I say, go back. The guy in Kareka say, honey. With all these things, they didn't even put microwave for you. Can I go back? You want to cheat me, Abi? I put microwave here. Put 11. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't swear for my life. Say I no go die as a poor man. I will die as a big man. If big man won't die, the sweet, the black movie. Big man won't die. He go go upstairs. I say there you go. Yes, something like this. My chest. In the die you. My chest. So you say, Daddy, what is it? You go answer them. You go throw a newspaper. My chest. Before you know, they will call ambulance, they will carry the man, go clinic, and I say, big man, we get money, we get resources, you understand? Big man will come, die. And big man, when they die, they do open eye. When they open eye like that, now the doctor will close the eye and say, my brother, I ain't going to let me change. But the same time, when poor man died, the same time. It will be like, poor man, don't check for village with like this. I beg. I saw poor man go there. I saw go like that for outside. What you get now? Hewa. My head, my belly, my waist, my chest. My head, my belly, my waist, my chest. Poor man, they die with one sickness. The only poor man go die, go, yeah, our beloved brother, uncle, dead after a brief illness. Illness, you have 24 years now, brief illness. Go shout, hewa. They go say, let's call a drop. Now go shout, pull a drop. From here, Air Force, 15 naira. Who they die? Finally, they can't go hospital. He go lie down for theater. He go come to breathe fast. Die. He no go agree die. Survive now. He no go agree. Children go to spend money up and down. They go to spend money up and down. When the mother remain 1.5 remain. Home and abroad. Now that way Poma remember saying go die. Poma go come to chat. Choco den one. Go and get me water. I took it just come out. If one man won't die, watch you.